The SABC have actually parted ways with Ms. Magopeni with effect of today, this afternoon, following a breakdown in relationship after the disciplinary process and being afforded an opportunity to respond to the outcomes of the disciplinary process and failing to do so.
Potsong ya hore na lebaka ke lefe le susumeditseng hore Magopeni a lelekwe ntulu arabile jena.
It's common knowledge that the SABC breached a High Court order on the 14th of September last year. After that, the SABC then instituted a disciplinary process against Ms. Magopeni for her alleged role in the negligible role played in the incident. And so following that, there was a very public and very transparent hearing that was actually headed by Advocate Cassim. And that happened on the 17th, the 20th, as well as the 21st of December last year. And the outcomes of that hearing were that Ms. Magopeni was found guilty of misconduct for failure to act appropriately, to take the necessary measures to ensure that the court order was complied with.
Mekgatlo e fapaneng ya ditaba e ntshitse maikutlo ka ho lela kwa ha Magopeni.
We now know that at least two of those charges, in fact, in which she was found not guilty, those were a farce because those charges did not fit. So the process that was followed by the SABC, and I want to make it clear that Ms. Magopeni is not a member of the union, but we are concerned about the state of affairs and the disciplinary action and the way that that has been taken against the SABC employee, regardless of that person, whether that person is a member or not. So we are really concerned that we know that we have seen a grievance that she has lodged, a very serious grievance on which we are acting at this point in time, not on her behalf, but on behalf of the allegations that has been made by her. We are busy writing a letter to the portfolio committee, and we are going to ask for an investigation in respect of that. We have seen that the board has appointed a committee to investigate this, which of course is absolute nonsense. You cannot investigate yourself.
It's a very, very sad day for the SABC and for South Africa, and there's certain people that will obviously be rejoicing at the turn of events. And I think that it's really sad precisely because thanks to Phathiswa, the senior executive team, her team, and of course the board, they've been able to restore the credibility and independence of the SABC over the last several years. If you look at where it was in 2016, Phathiswa came in, she's been able to do an incredible job. So for her tenure at the SABC to end in this particular manner where, it's in this particular circumstance is really, really unfortunate way for things to be going at the SABC.